viewers, today I am going to prepare dum biryani. That's Pungnur special dum biryani. As everybody like dum biryani, today I am going to show how to prepare dum biryani. Here I am taking a bowl of 2 kgs. For boiling also I have taken the bowl for 2 kgs. We will watch what are the ingredients to be used in dum biryani. So I have taken 1 kg chicken and 1 kg rice. I have soaked the rice in water for half an hour, and chicken is also marinated with 1 cup curd, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 lemon. I have marinated it for half an hour. Then 8 tomatoes puree, 5 to 6 onions paste, 8 chilies made into the paste, salt for taste, and the main ingredient for biryani is ginger garlic paste, which I have took for 1 kg. 1 kg means this is the glass. This is the glass. If we take 4 glasses of rice means 1 kg. So for 1 kg I am taking 4 spoons of ginger garlic paste. In addition 1 tablespoon for chicken, completely 5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 2.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 2.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, biryani leaf, pudina, and oil. These are the ingredients to prepare dum biryani. Preheat the bowl before you put the oil. Bowl have already heated, and pouring the oil into the pan. This approximately I am taking the oil. I am not measured. For 1 kg of rice you can take 250 ml of oil. Oil is okay now. Then heat the oil. Add bay leaf to the oil, which is called biryani leaf. Oil is getting heated. Oil is getting heated. So oil is heated. I am putting onion paste, 5 to 6 onion paste into the bowl. Fry the onion. Fry the onion paste in oil. For 2 minutes. For 2 minutes. For 2 minutes. The onions color change, we will add ginger garlic paste. Have you seen I have not added cloves and cinnamon. I have added cloves and cinnamon directly to the ginger garlic paste. When I have blended these two, I have added the cloves and cinnamon to the ginger garlic paste. So I have not added cinnamon and cloves to the onions. So it is getting fried. Onion is frying. The Next ingredient is ginger garlic paste. We have to put the ginger garlic paste to this mixture. Mix thoroughly. Add 5 to 8 chilies into the paste and add this mixture to the masala. Fry the masala. After frying the masala, add marinated chicken. I have already added 1 tablespoon of salt to this chicken. The rest of the salt is added after adding other ingredients. Mix properly, otherwise it will stick to the bone. To the bone. Cook the chicken for 5 minutes by closing the lid. For 5 minutes that the chicken will get tender. Chicken is cooked well now. Now we can add masala to the chicken. Oil is releasing from the masala. That means the chicken has been cooked up to half. After adding masala, it will completely cook. So it's time to add masala. See, red chili powder and dhania powder. I have already told the quantity in the beginning. So we have to add the masala to the bowl. Put little bit of water. Stir it thoroughly. So the masala is getting ready. This is called akhni of the biryani. Cook for 2 minutes. I have already told that I have put 1 tablespoon of salt to the chicken during marination. Now I am adding 1 more tablespoon of salt. As per your taste, you add chili powder and salt to the masala. I have lowered the flame now, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. So masala is cooked now. Now it's time to add tomato puree. 8 tomatoes I have taken. See, tomato puree I have added. I will tell one calculation. Listen it. I am taking 1 kg of rice and 1 kg of 1 kg of chicken. So it is 2 kg now. And the rest of the masala all is 1 kg. Half kg onions and half kg tomato. It is done for chicken biryani. So cook this mixture for 5 minutes. The tomatoes raw smell should go off from the kurma. Put pudina leaves to the masala. Now biryani kurma is ready, and cook for some more 10 minutes on the stove, that the rest of the chicken should get tender. So masala is cooking. Cover the lid and cook this masala for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, masala has been cooked well. It has left the oil also. It is looking very good and tasty also. Nothing was left. So after preparing the masala, keep the masala to the side, covering the lid. Keep it in sim. Then now it's time to prepare rice. As it is dum biryani, we have to boil the water, then add salt as per the taste, at the quantity of the rice, as per the quantity of the rice. I am adding 2 tablespoons of salt. So now add rice to the bowl. Add rice to the bowl. Rice to the bowl. So cook the rice 75%. Cook the rice 75%. Boil the rice. I have changed the bowls. This is the dum biryani. I have simmered the masala. Again, I am boiling the rice now. After boiling, 75% rice should be cooked. Then filter the rice. After filtering the rice, then rice should be added to the masala. Let it cook. Now the rice has been boiled to 75%. It's time to dum the rice on kurma. Put the rice on the top of the kurma. keep it on the flame to get dum. The rest of the rice should be also poured. %75 cooked rice have been placed on the kurma, and at the end we have to put some pudina on the top of the rice. Sim the flame and close the lid. Put some weight on the lid that the vapor should not go outside. Simmer the flame and keep it for 15 minutes, and the biryani will be ready for serving. If you like this video, now dum biryani is ready. If you want to serve this, just mix like this. It is very good color. Hingnur special dum biryani ready now. If you like this preparation, this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.